Okay, it's update time for Rusty Bangers 1.0.2. I keep breaking stuff, so I'm going to quickly do this, and if I mess it up, deal with it. Right, loading in Rusty Bangers 1.0.2. See, messed up. We'll give you a config that looks like this one here on the left, and loading up vehicle license will give you a config that looks like this on the right, minus the fact that I changed the VIP times. Anyway, global settings on Rusty Bangers, spawn, buy, kill, recall, they are listed here. Buy, spawn, recall, and kill. Please make sure those are the same, otherwise they won't work. The permissions listed here are the permissions that are listed here. If you change the permissions for any reason, you need to update it in Rusty Bangers as well. And then there is a second page, active, true or false, and all that does is it removes the star. If you put that to false, it removes this star here. Okay, opening up Rusty Bangers by, I did it by a keybind, but by doing /rusty, you will see we've got all 4 buttons now under each item. Instead of having 2 buttons and then the 2 in the middle, we've now got individual recall and kill buttons for the items. So I can deliver myself that item, I can deliver myself a minicopter, and then I can recall that, and I can recall that, and then I can kill that. The way it should have been. Oh, the car I'm standing on just exploded. How nice. Let's go away from that. Anyway. Oh, I haven't got entity kill. Oh, I've got no clip. Okay, anyway. So, looking at Rusty Bangers, you can see all these nice items and all of these items, minus the jet engine and the motorbike, because obviously they don't exist. Oh, how whimsical of me. Anyway, now you need, or you require, the vehicle license use permission to be able to access vehicle license. Otherwise, if you don't have it and you type in Rusty, it says you do not have permission to access this command or to use this command. So you do need to be able to use vehicle license to start with. Now then, because I've said this many times before, the Chinook is overpowered, I have changed things up. If you remove or if you revoke the permission of a user for an item like the Chinook and you open up Rusty Bangers, it will say that it is now unavailable and there are no spawn buttons. So right off the bat they can see what they are allowed to get. Let's just do let's revoke all of these besides the sedan. Okay, just to show you. Oh, I left the horse on. Oops. And the horse. There's a horse. There's a horse. Horse? Horse? Red Bull horse. There he is. Okay. This is Permissions Manager by Steenbrew on CodeFling, if I haven't already mentioned. If you've never used it before, go and check it out. It's nice and easy. Anyway, here it is. So there's the only one that's available now is the sedan. And if I did the coding right, and I haven't actually tested it, but if I change this to false and I save, and then I reload Rusty Bangers, so dot reload Rusty Bangers, then it should now not allow me to see the button for page 2, which is correct, so you cannot spawn in the vehicles. Anyway, that is the update for Rusty Bangers. It is available on CodeFling, and we're going to do that. I'm going to leave it from there because I've messed this up so many times. So good night, I'm going to bed.